We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the verb to lose. The past tense of the verb to lose is pronounced as lost, lost. An example of sentence would be, yesterday I lost my keys. Lost, the past tense. The participle is pronounced also as lost. Same pronunciation here. An example, I have lost my keys to my car. Lost, overall, lose, lost, lost, lose, lost, lost. And now you know, like this video, if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. It helps a lot, thanks for that. And here are videos for you to learn the pronunciation of all irregular verbs most commonly used in English. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.